So this is what is going to do. Well, pick the gasket up. This is what's going to feed the shed. It is simply a caravan plug. I'll keep, so it's male end at this end, and we'll keep that like that. It's real simple. In, and then I guess the Sparky does his bit with the, and then I'm just getting the cable in there so I can line. Essentially, I think the switchboard's about here. I want to be up as high. Obviously, there's ideal, but we can go here. So what I might do is quickly shoot inside and then drill a hole out. Obviously I have to have enough length of cable. I'm down to my last little bit. So this is my last bit of 7 strand. I want to go as high. Where are we? There. Oh, the Sparky Brothers not going to like this, but hey. Out we go. That's going to be ideal. Let me know what you guys think. I reckon it's a perfect spot. Yeah, so I don't know how old this shed is, but this is the only feed in for the power. You know, if you think back to that big the Galv box that I took off with the feeds going in, the massive rod that the earth rod, massive earth rod, which is taller than me, so it's probably 2 meters. And then I'm downgrading to a very tiny switchboard on the inside. So I'm going to get some dome screws for these, some bats. I've got blue strapping, but I don't have a stapler. I got to fix these bats, pull out some pins, do the last little bit of straightening of the ceiling. It did take quite a bit. I was going to line it with ply, but there's a chance that I could get some very, very cheap jib through work, so I think I'd be silly not to do it, considering the sheets of jib is probably I could get 3 for the price of 1 sheet of ply. So I'm just about to put up some blue strapping just to hold the insulation there while I do my sheet linings. So I'll get that up now, and the roof or ceiling is ready to line. Yeah, let's go.